Hello, this is Grandpa Max. Grandpa Max is a bacteria. Hey, I'm Grandpa Max. I have been in many biological labs, but somehow I escaped from there. But many of my friends couldn't. Let's see what happened to them. In those days, they used to put us in some test tubes with liquid in them. So they used to call that media. They incubate us for many hours to multiply. I somehow escaped from there. Let's see what in reality happens in those labs. You know, I resides in many places, from your mouth to the roots of the plants. Hey, meet my son Stan. Okay, what happens to Stan? Why he looks so different than Grandpa Max? It was genetic engineering.
What is this, man? Electricity. Don't do this. It hurts.
What is happening, man? I feel powerful.